Today we're building something super useful, an expense tracker, while learning Next.js, Supabase, and even how to test APIs using Postman. So grab your chai teacup with handle or coffee, and let's get started. First things first, Next.js. Think of Next.js as a magical upgrade to React. You still write React components, but you get extra powers. Routing is built in. Just make a file in the Pages folder and boom, it's a route. API routes let you write backend code inside your Next.js project. Server-side rendering makes your app faster and SEO-friendly. In our expense tracker, we'll use Next.js pages for login, sign up, and expenses. And thanks to the built-in router, we don't need to install React Router separately. Pretty neat, right? Now, we need a place to store our data, like user accounts and expense records. That's where Supabase comes in. Supabase is like Firebase's open-source cousin, but it uses PostgreSQL under the hood. With Supabase we get authentication, users can sign up and log in. Database, we can save expenses in a Postgres table. APIs, automatically generated endpoints for CRUD operations. So instead of writing a big backend from scratch, Supabase gives us auth and a database instantly. In our project, we'll connect Supabase with just two environment variables. Next_public_Supabase_URL. Next_public_Supabase_non_key. Once those are set, our app can talk to Supabase directly. Alright, let's log in. We'll make a login page with email and password. Supabase handles the hard part, we just call supabase.auth.signin with password, email, password O. If the user exists, boom, they're logged in. If not, we can redirect them to sign up. This means our expense tracker is personalized. Each user sees only their own expenses. Security, check. Next up, saving data. We'll create a table in Supabase called expenses. Now, how do we test that our backend actually works? Enter Postman. Postman is a friendly tool for testing APIs without writing code. We can grab the Supabase REST API URL, add our anon key as an authorization header, and try requests like post a REST a v1 expenses, add a new expense. Get a REST a v1 expenses, fetch expenses. If it works in Postman, we know our Next.js frontend will work too. This is how real developers debug backend stuff before connecting the UI. And there you have it. In just 10 minutes, you learned the basics of Next.js, routing, API routes, SSR, Supabase for authentication, and database magic. How to test APIs with Postman like a pro. Now you can take this foundation and build bigger apps, maybe a to-do list, a notes app, or even your own mini social network. Thanks for coding with me today. Keep building, keep experimenting, and remember, every line of code is a step closer to mastery. See you in the next adventure.